Hi, this is Habib Alvi. Today I'm with new video, and today we are going to discuss about the expression of anger. गुस्से में कैसे बोला जाता है? So first word I'm going to tell you, shut up. Yes, shut up. It's also wonderful expression of anger. If someone is irritated by someone, and you say, shut up. Okay, it's very common. You can note it down. Shut up. Okay, and you're messing with the wrong person. You're messing with the wrong person. Hey, तुम गलत बंदे से पंगा ले रहे हो. You're messing with the wrong person. Yes, you are messing with the wrong person. Okay? तुम गलत बंदे से पंगा ले रहे हो. Hold your tongue. अपनी जुबान को ताला लगाओ. अपने जुबान को ताला लगाओ. अपनी जुबान को मुंह में रखो. Hold your tongue. Okay? This is also very important expression of anger. So, in this way we can use. You have no idea who I am. Hold your tongue भी लिख ले. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. You have no idea. You have no idea who I am. Okay? So this is also very nice. Expression of anger. Be in your limit. अपनी औकात में रहो. Be in your limit. Okay? Be in your limit. Okay, this is also fine word, expression of anger. So, and I'll teach you a lesson. मैं तुम्हें सबक सिखा दूंगा. I'll teach you a lesson. It's also nice expression of anger. I'll teach you a lesson. All right. Sorry for bad writing. And we are having more expressions of anger, like yes, I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. मैं तुमसे नहीं डरता. I'm not afraid of you. It's also a nice expression. Number 7. Number 8. We're having many more, like be off. Be off from here. दफा हो जाओ यहाँ से. Be off. It's also be off from here. Be off. Okay? O-double-F. Be off from here. And we are having a get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. It's also a nice expression of anger. जब गुस्से में इंसान होता है तो कौन कौन से हम एक्सप्रेशन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. I lose my mind in anger. Yes, I lose my mind in anger. It's also a nice expression. Number 10. I lose my mind in anger. Okay? So this is also nice expression of anger, and it's none of your business. It's also wonderful expression of anger. Yes, yes. Number 11. It's none of your business. Okay? अपने काम से काम रखो. ये तुम्हारा काम नहीं. It's none of your business. It's so wonderful. Leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. So also, number 12. Leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. So guys, these are expression of anger. And one last, that expression is also coming in my mind, like, you can't even touch me. You can't even touch me. तुम मुझे छू तक नहीं सकते. Okay? You can't Number 13. You can't even touch me. तुम मुझे छू तक नहीं सकते. So these are wonderful expressions of anger. And I'll be back with a new video. If you want to watch my new videos, so then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch new videos. I'll be back with new videos, with new lesson, with new innovations. And thank you very much for watching my channel. Till then, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.